Thank you so much for tuning into this video, my first in a new series helping real estate agents optimize their Instagram in order to accelerate their real estate career. In this video, we're going to talk about scheduling your posts. The idea here is to keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them. So there are 3 ways that you can post on Instagram. The first is regular posts on your feed. There's also Instagram stories and Instagram reels. So first, I want to talk about regular Instagram posts. I recommend 2 to 3 of these a week. That way, people will be seeing your content and you'll be staying top of mind. Secondly, there are Instagram stories. I recommend that you share 1 or 2 Instagram stories per day in order to keep your audience up to date with everything that you're doing in your business. Finally, there are Instagram reels, which are short vertical videos, usually around 30 to 60 seconds in length. I recommend that you share 4 to 7 of these per week in order to keep your content fresh and reach a wider audience. I hope this video was helpful. If you need further assistance with your Instagram, feel free to reach out, jared@galaxycreative.ca, or check us out, Galaxy Creative NOTL on Instagram.